Today we have a video from Code Blue Cam, and the title of the video is "When You're Too Drunk to Realize You Crash into a Cop."
This sergeant has just spotted a car driving the wrong way, and as deputies move in to stop it before anyone gets hurt, it will be their own squad cars that will end up taking the damage from this driver's wild start to the new year.
What?
Subject Nelson Rogers is in violation.
Around 2:36 a.m. on Thursday, January 1st, 2026, a Milwaukee County Sheriff's Sergeant broadcast over the patrol channel about a Mercedes-Benz heading northbound in the southbound lanes on I-43 near Milwaukee County.
Oh, this is on the first?
Wow. Wrong way driver northbound in the southbound lanes. I'm going to flip around and try and catch up to her. It looks like a female driver, white. Is that SUV?
2017, that was northbound and the southbound.
Okay, man.
Northbound from North right now.
As several deputies respond to the call, one of them, who's closer to the area, ends up finding the driver, but not in the way anyone expected.
499,
He's not gonna stop. Unbelievable.
499. You put me with it. It just hit me.
He literally hit him head on. Like, what the heck? This guy.
I'm good. Southbound 43, just before North Avenue.
How did you need medical?
I'm fine. Let me check the driver. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
All right. Is the violence in the car? 10 out of transmission. I'm talking with the driver. Driver's conscious and breathing. 10-9. Step out the vehicle.
What an idiot.
Just get medical en route for the driver. Driver's conscious and breathing. I have my other squad. Come here.
You don't even know what he's looking at.
499. I'm okay. Here. Just lean back. You have a license on you?
Huh?
You have a license on you? Do you have a license?
Zachariah.
That's your name?
Zachariah.
Okay.
Clearly, 23-year-old Zachariah seems to have no idea what he's done to the deputy's squad car, and before the night is over, it won't be the only one he damages.
What?
Can I call my dad?
Not yet.
Okay.
2017, I have lane 1 closed.
211 by 20.
You know where you're at?
Huh?
You know where you're at? Do you know where you're at? Come here. Do you know where you're at?
Milwaukee.
Okay. Do you know what you're doing right now?
I live
Okay, you understand you're driving on the wrong side of the freeway, right?
freeway, yeah. I know that I'm on the freeway somewhere.
All right, here, come on, let's get you back on the squad.
Okay.
You can relax, just put your hands down. Oh, he is stoned.
Sorry.
No, you're good. All right, you got anything on you besides your keys?
No.
All right. Let's pause. Okay.
Okay.
Call yourself. All right. You're welcome.
You know what, though? I must say, man, I look like, with the red on the screen, I look like Kane. You know WWE wrestler Kane? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but whatever. Anyway, yeah. So, hold on. I gotta get this off, the red part. I do look. All right, there we go. All right. I must say, this guy is a lot more well-behaved than a lot of sober people. Okay? We see these things all the time. Sober people, they probably caught stealing or whatever the case may be, hooting and hollering and this and that or whatever. Now, this guy is reckless. He going to jail. I don't know. I don't think probation gonna cut it on this one. We'll see what happens. But I don't think probation gonna cut it. But this guy, he's not handcuffed. He's not fighting anybody. He got his hands up, which he's acting, he's complying. He's not complying, If he wasn't complying, then they would definitely get him together. But at least he's actually conducting himself decent. He's decent. He's decent. I'll just put it like that, man. I'll put it like that. But he is very, very intoxicated. You look in his eyes and it's like, knock, knock. Nobody is home.
What this way? I'm gonna have you stand right here real quick. Face the car. Face the squad. All right, go and hop in. All right. I'm good.
How fast?
About like 20. 15, 20, yeah. I hit the air horn, try to get him slow down.
Do we need to get a tow for 49 hours?
I'd say yes. No buff out. You think no buff?
With Zach finally secured in the squad car, deputies start assessing the damage and searching his vehicle, leaving him alone as he ends up ruining yet another squad.
832 dispatch.
Copy. 29. Copy. Corrections monitoring system. A subject, Nelson Rogers, is in violation.
Apart from finding
did
his
you
phone
hear
and
it?
wallet, deputies find a small amount of marijuana, often called shake, that was scattered all over the car.
Cell phone.
Yeah, but shake isn't why he's...
Shut up.
I stopped here. I hit my air horn. I try to get him stopped. I try to get in front of him just in case. He could have killed somebody. Well, I got a squad cam on this, so I mean, it's not like we don't know where he got on.
Right, so he's not the victim at least. He's not hurt, right?
No, he's not hurt. Just smashed the squad. Jeff's gonna be that's gonna be a lot of work to fix that. That whole front fender, that quarter panel, whatever on the side, it's smashed. Nothing you can do about it. I mean, kind of unavoidable on your part. All right, well, I'm gonna go sit down on mine. Yeah, that was good. I was done. We stopped. Just wait for him. Slow down. Yeah. We slowed down, but he didn't stop. He's understanding. He's out of it.
But I mean, he's understanding English. I don't think we need to go to like an interpreter or something.
I don't think he speaks English. I don't think he speaks any other language.
If you do go for blood, and if it is alcohol, he's probably going to have marijuana in his system. He's got a small nugget in there, a really small nugget.
All right, you can keep talking to the bosses. I'll clean off your truck.
Guys, don't let him take it yet until we get the crash report. Come on, Chris. Wrong way driver.
Get out of here.
He actually almost hit me first. I was up at Highland, and I was getting ready to exit at Highland, and he came flying right at my squad. So I tried to get him to stop, but then he went around me. Hell.
We're gonna do the investigation. Regis is gonna go get checked out.
Can you belt him? I don't think Rita's done. Hey man, I need to get the pastor quick. I need to seatbelt you. Are we good or no?
What was that?
Are we good or no?
Yeah.
As Zach is brought in for questioning, deputies already know he's heavily intoxicated. But when they try to get answers about how things spiraled to this point, Zach's priorities still lie in finishing his nap and throwing up.
Off ramp, going to be out of Wisconsin, Boy Charles, Lincoln, 55.
Hey, boss. He puked. Just a heads up. What happened? What happened tonight, boss? Where are you coming from tonight? What was it? Where are you coming from? Are you willing to do fields tonight? Test to make sure that you're okay to drive? Are you gonna talk to me at all?
Listen, I know what that is. When you take that deep breath in and you like, and you so intoxicated, you just want to go to sleep. You don't want to talk. You don't want to nothing. And you will sleep anywhere. You will sleep on the ground. You will sleep in a chair. You will sleep anywhere. Listen, I'm going to tell you something, right? I'm going to tell a story real quick. The first time I ever went out of the country, right? Well, the second time I went out of the country. The first time I went out of the country was to Canada, but Canada and New York is right there. So it counts, but that's not really what I'm talking about. But the first time I went out of the country, I was like 22, maybe 22 years old, 22, 23. Yeah, something like that, 22, 23. And so yeah, when I went, right, I went to Dominican Republic. First time on a resort, all of that stuff. And keep in mind, I wasn't a heavy drinker. I had one drink when I was underage. I was 18. I had one drink. And then I never touched it again until I was 21. And then, so, you know, I'm still new to the drinking. You know, I'm like 22 years old, whatever. Right. So, you know, finally, I ain't never had no money or whatever. But now I got into corrections when I was 21. So, you know, now I got a little bit of money and, you know, I could travel and everything like that. So anyway, so now I go to Dominican Republic the very first time. And I went during like the Canadian spring break and stuff like that, whatever. So there was a lot of spring breakers on there, but it was spring Canadians. And so, yeah, you know, partying, whatever. Never been on an all exclusive, you know, so the drinks are included. So I'm drinking like a fish one night, right? And I went to the club. Me and my friend, we went to the club. And then I told my friend that, hey, I gotta go back. I gotta go back to the room real quick and grab something, and then I'll be back. So apparently, somewhere along the way, I found if you ever been on all exclusive, there's different buildings, right? There's different buildings that where you stay at. And I went into somebody else's building and I passed out in the lobby down there, right? And the workers, nothing, like they shut the lights off and everything. So I was just passed out for hours. And my friends couldn't find me. My friend couldn't find me. No one knew where I was at because I wasn't at my room. They went to go get security. I wasn't at my room. I was nowhere to be found. Like, and then they found me like in the morning time, and I was passed out in a random lobby in somebody else's building, like not even in my own building. So I know what he's talking about. Like I see what this guy is feeling right now. He just wants to sleep. He is so intoxicated. He don't care where it's at. He just needs to go sleep. But yeah, man, boy, what? When I was younger, just getting a job, just getting some money in your pocket. You know, I don't come from a family with money or nothing like that, man. What? Nobody ain't really had no careers and all that stuff. Well, I'm the first one. What? I'm partying. What? You couldn't tell me nothing back then, boy. But yeah, man, this guy.
Yes. Where were we coming from tonight? What's that wristband from? Are you wanting to do some tests tonight? You want to do some tests tonight, or are you good?
Test. He wants sleep.
Are you able to hop out of the truck for me? Hold up, let's take the seatbelt off. It's alright. Hop on out. There you go. Easy. Let's go back to that black car right over there, okay?
He ain't doing no field sobriety. It's over with.
Please tell me where you were coming from? How much do we have to drink tonight? A lot?
A lot.
How much is a lot? Where'd you get that wristband from?
The wristband I got from 12.
Where were you driving tonight? Where were you headed to? It's okay if you can't remember.
12.
Okay, where were you going?
Strip club.
Which strip club?
3rd Street.
3rd Street?
3rd Street.
Are you willing to do some tests tonight to make sure that you're okay to drive?
No.
No? All right, go ahead and turn around. Go ahead, on your back. You're under arrest for OWI and second-degree recklessly endangering safety. Do you have anything on you that you know about guns, knives, bazookas, anything like that?
No background.
No what? No weapons?
No.
Told you he ain't doing no field sobriety test.
Back in Scott's truck for now.
I mean, they have a crew coming down, but
Just
I don't know how quick they're...
Put him on the bench for right now, and then we'll start the paperwork.
Ultimately, Zachariah was charged with felony, second-degree recklessly endangering safety, misdemeanor, operating while intoxicated, second offense. He also received over $800 in traffic citations. Ultimately, he was released on a $7,500 cash bond with conditions to maintain absolute sobriety and to be monitored by portable breathalyzers. Want to step up your style? Check out...
Wow. Okay, so damn, that's crazy, man. I knew he ain't doing no field sobriety. You could kiss that goodbye. The best thing that they probably would have been able to do is get him to do the breathalyzer or something like that. But as far as, you know, walking in a straight line and all of that, he's too intoxicated. He's not doing that. He's not doing that. It's over. It's over with for that. But yeah, this is just you know, young, drinking, you know, but if you are gonna drink, you gotta be in an environment that, you know, you're not on the road, you know, you're not drinking and driving and stuff like that, because, you know, who knows? This guy could have been asleep behind the wheel. Who really knows? Like, when you driving and you just zoning out, because he didn't even try to slow down when he was reaching the cop car, you know, like, so that he's probably zoning in and out, because alcohol and being that intoxicated makes you really, really tired. Dangerous situation, you know. Being that intoxicated is dangerous in itself, but being behind the wheel, yeah, you could unalive somebody doing that for sure. But yeah, anyways, I get officers a 5. You know, they did their part. They did the best thing that they could. So the ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.